how to turn Apple AirPlay on or off. In this video, I'll show you how to turn Apple AirPlay on or off on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General, then select AirPlay and Continuity. At the top, tap Automatically AirPlay. Make sure it isn't set to Never. You can choose Ask or Automatic, depending on your preference. To use AirPlay or screen mirroring, open the Control Center and tap the screen mirroring icon. If you don't see it, open the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right of the screen. Press the screen and tap the Add a Control option. Search for screen mirroring and add it to your Control Center. Now tap Screen Mirroring and select the nearby device you want to connect to, such as an Apple TV. Your iPhone screen will then be mirrored to the selected device. That's how you can turn on and use Apple AirPlay on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.